Hi everybody, I wanted to show a short video going over one of the quiz solutions. This was one that seems to be a little bit more challenging for people than the other versions of the quiz that were out there, so I wanted to go over this quickly. This is asking for the combination of 900 kilopascals and a specific volume of 0.001043. So what we're looking for obviously is that combination. I am thinking, right, that this is what the pressure specific volume chart looks like. I know I'm here at 900. Again, this is just a cartoon. So the first thing I'm asking is, am I a liquid? Am I a vapor / liquid, or am I a superheated vapor? So for that, I'm going to go to the steam tables and look and find specifically this value for VF and VG. So I flip over to my steam tables. I was given a pressure of 900, so I'm going to look at table 2. Okay, so here I'm seeing this is table 2, seeing some nice pressure values here. I'm going to go down and find the one I'm looking for here at 900. So this is my row. I'm looking specifically for these two values, VF and VG. Those are the left and right side of the phase boundary. And the value I'm looking for is V equals 0.001043 kilograms per meter cubed. So as I look, I'm actually less than VF, which means I'm a normal liquid. So now what I need to do is go to the end of my table and look at the liquid properties. So going all the way down here, down, superheated water vapor, I'm looking for compressed liquid. There we go, B.1.4, compressed liquid water. So now again, I'm looking for P equals 900 kPa, and specific volume equals 0.001043 meters cubed per kilograms. I know I'm looking in the right place, but it might be, right, I'm looking for both of these values. And as I'm looking down my table, I see right away I have 500 and 2000. So I'm stuck between two values. But as I start to look down my table, I realize maybe the volumes actually don't change with pressure. Okay, maybe they change a tiny bit, but these second ones change by 1 part in 1,000. So essentially not changing. And if I keep looking down, I can see here at 100 degrees Celsius, my specific volume is 0.001043. So I'm not actually finding exactly the right pressure, but if I find a pressure on either side of the one I'm looking for, I can find the correct specific volume. So if these two numbers were different, here at 2000 and here at 500, the problem would be a little trickier because I would have to interpolate to be able to find it. But because the value isn't actually different at those two pressures, I know my pressure, which is in the middle, is also here. So I can say that T equals 100 degrees Celsius. And that's it for the solution to this quiz. 100 degrees Celsius is in fact the right answer. All right, hopefully this helped clarify for those of you that did have this quiz. If you didn't have this quiz, maybe this is just a good practice walkthrough to find something else in our tables. All right, thanks.